Have you ever stood in the middle of your garden on a blazing afternoon, holding a watering hose, and wondered exactly how much of that shimmering water actually reaches the life desperately thirsting beneath the soil? It is staggering, and perhaps deeply heartbreaking, to realize that over 80% of the water we diligently pour every single day simply evaporates into thin air or drains away where roots can never reach it. We have been trained by the industrial agricultural complex to force a rigid, mechanical mindset onto an ecosystem that craves deep understanding. They want us mindlessly chasing a soulless convenience, pushed by clever marketing. But today, I am going to share a massive, suppressed secret with you, an incredible discovery that will absolutely change your garden forever. A $3 miracle that allows you to never water your tomatoes from the surface again. To understand why this $3 solution was deliberately hidden from us for so long, we have to look back at a brilliant but fiercely opposed man named Bill Mollison. When the massive agricultural monopolies were aggressively pushing for a total chemical and mechanized revolution, Bill stood entirely alone against a tidal wave of corporate farming.
They wanted to sell you miles of brittle plastic drip tape, expensive electronic valves, and a dependency on fragile supply chains. When Bill suggested returning to the ancient 2,000-year-old technology of burying unglazed terracotta pots in the earth, the academic and scientific communities literally laughed him out of the room. They called him a primitive romantic and a stubborn fool. But Bill understood a profound truth they were desperately trying to bury. When you force water through a synthetic plastic tube on a computerized timer, you are violently dictating the schedule of nature. By choosing this ancient system today, we are not merely watering our plants, we are actively rebelling against a fundamentally broken system. How does a simple $3 clay pot outsmart a multi-million-dollar computerized drip system? It all comes down to a breathtakingly simple scientific principle called soil moisture tension. When you bury an unglazed terracotta pot and fill it to the brim, the microscopic pores in the baked clay act as a highly intelligent biological valve. It only opens when the surrounding soil begins to dry out. As the roots of your tomatoes drink, they create a microscopic vacuum, a literal physical suction that pulls moisture through the clay walls via natural capillary action. This creates a flawless equilibrium. The soil absorbs exactly what it needs and leaves the rest safely stored inside. By keeping the water entirely underground, we completely eliminate surface evaporation, instantly reducing your total water usage by an astonishing 70%.
But the science goes even deeper than simple suction. When you aggressively spray water onto the surface of your garden with a hose, you are inadvertently committing a microscopic atrocity. Surface watering compacts the topsoil, drowning the delicate aerobic bacteria and shattering the fragile mycorrhizal fungal networks that your plants rely on to digest nutrients. Worse still, it trains your plant roots to stay shallow, lazily waiting at the surface for their next artificial hit of water. They become addicts to the municipal grid. The buried terracotta method completely reverses this. By providing a slow, continuous magnetic pull of moisture deep underground, you're forcing the roots to dive downwards. You're anchoring them into cooler, mineral-rich layers of earth where the sun's scorching heat can never reach them. This creates an autonomous, resilient crop that can effortlessly survive brutal heat waves. Now it is time to roll up our sleeves and build this masterpiece of quiet rebellion. Walk into your local garden center and stride purposefully right past those endless aisles of expensive plastic timers. Find the humblest section of all, a standard unglazed terracotta clay pot. It is absolutely crucial that you choose raw, unglazed clay.
Any shiny decorative glaze will completely block those microscopic breathing pores and instantly ruin the natural thermodynamics and moisture exchange. Once you bring this earthen vessel home, take a simple rubber cork or even an old coin and firmly plug the drainage hole at the bottom using a dab of waterproof silicone sealant. This vessel is now your deep, secure reservoir, a zero-energy battery holding the precious lifeblood of your garden. Find a central spot in your garden bed and dig a hole just deep enough so that when you place your pot inside, only the very top lip peeks above the surface. As you gently lower this vessel into the dark ground, you are planting a beating heart for your garden that will pulse with life-saving moisture. Pack your nutrient-rich soil back around the curved sides, ensuring direct, intimate contact with the unglazed walls for the strict mechanical reaction to begin. Arrange your thirsty companions by planting your tomato seedlings in a halo around the buried reservoir. When you fill your earthen reservoir, pay close attention to the water itself. Harvesting free rainwater is always the ultimate act of defiance, but if you must use municipal tap water, let it sit in an open bucket in the sun for 24 hours first. This allows the toxic industrial chlorine to off-gas and escape, ensuring you aren't silently chemically burning the microscopic life you just worked so hard to protect. And never forget the lid. A flat stone or a custom terracotta saucer over the top opening is non-negotiable. Without it, the atmosphere will relentlessly steal your water right back out of the top, and opportunistic pests like mosquitoes will claim it as their own. With the lid on, you are officially activating a subterranean symphony.
If you were wondering if this ancient $3 trick actually holds up against the modern climate, let me introduce you to Maria, a gardener living in the scorching heat of the desert Southwest. Last summer, while her neighbors watched their tomatoes wither under expensive failing plastic drip tapes hooked to the municipal grid, Maria trusted this buried terracotta method. She saw her total water consumption drop by 75%, while her tomato yield exploded to over 60 pounds of vibrant fruit. This is not a lucky moment. It is hard, concrete proof that when we stop forcing water from the surface and instead invite the roots to drink naturally, we unlock a level of abundance that no chemical cartel could ever sell us in a plastic bottle. The industrial agricultural machine wants you to believe that you are entirely dependent on their expensive synthetic solutions, but you now hold the ultimate knowledge to reclaim your sovereignty and break free from that toxic cycle forever. As you hold that humble piece of terracotta in your hands, I want to leave you with one final thought. If a simple clay pot can completely heal the way we nourish our gardens, what other simple, forgotten truths are we ignoring just because they do not come with a massive price tag and a corporate logo? If you were ready to stop being a consumer and start being a sovereign guardian of your soil, hit the subscribe button to join this quiet rebellion. I will see you in the next video. If you found this helpful, the next video will take it even further. Click Watch Next to see the forgotten 1940s aspirin trick for blight-free tomatoes. And don't forget to subscribe for practical, low-effort gardening tips. I'll see you in the next one.